What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation error, how to fix the PS4 SU-41343-5 reinstall system software. And I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we go to the screen. Here we are at the settings, tap on the settings and scroll down. Here you just go to system software and here's the system software. Check the system software update. If the system software is not updated, you just go to the safe mode and rebuild the database, and you can reinstall the system software also there from the USB with the internet. And you can initialize your PlayStation 4. If you initialize your PS4, the data will be deleted. So I'm just going to suggest you just go to safe mode and rebuild the database. If you want to reinstallation software, you just simply go to the reinstall system software on the PlayStation 4. And if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.